If you are looking for the best portable air conditioner, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Whynter Arc 14S Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Whynter Arc 14s, which is a portable air conditioner, is a gem when it comes to choosing a top-notch AC system for grow tents. Being capable of cooling up to 500 square ft, it has reached the pinnacle of popularity all over the world. Generally, it comes with an activated carbon filter. Instead, it offers fresh and dirt-free air when you run it. To speak the truth, it is one of the best eco-friendly AC systems for grow tents. It offers 3 different operational modes such as fan, air conditioner, and dehumidifier. Number 2. Black Plus Decker BPACT10WT Portable Air Conditioner. Covering an area up to 250 square ft. This portable AC unit has a sleek and smart design that is built to provide a steady flow of cool air that will evenly spread throughout the room. The slide-out filter can be cleaned easily with just hot water and soap. This filter will protect your home from dust, hair, and bad odors. The electronic control panel and remote control make accessing and customizing the various settings a breeze and convenient. The small features like the energy-saving mode and timer are all great additions and standard for most units nowadays. Number 3. Number 3. Honeywell HL10CESWK Portable Air Conditioner. Whisper quiet and contained in an unassuming case, the Honeywell 10,000 BTU single-hose portable air conditioner can quickly and quietly cool up to 450 square feet of space. This model has an auto-evaporation system that recycles the condensation. The washable dual filtration system also significantly cuts down on the bacteria and dust in the air. If you want some extra air circulation but don't need active cooling, you can use the fan-only function, which has 3 different speeds and is nearly noiseless. Number 4. hOmeLabs 5000 BTU Window-Mounted Air Conditioner. If you are looking for a compact size AC that is quiet, and at the same time, provides efficient cooling, your search ends with hOmeLabs 5000 BTU Window-Mounted AC. The dialing knobs are highly user-friendly and provide greater control to the AC. The 7 temperature ranges allow you to set just the right range for your ultimate comfort. Includes reusable washable filter that can be easily cleaned with warm water and dish soap. This is a high-quality, low-cost AC that takes good care of your comfort with its quiet and efficient performance. Number 5. FRIGIDAIRE. Number 5. FRIGIDAIRE White FFRA 051ZA1 Window Air Conditioner. The FRIGIDAIRE FFRA051ZA1 is a compact wall air conditioner that is ideal for calling smaller rooms efficiently without spending a lot on the unit price. This is a no-frills air conditioner which will do the job and do it relatively quietly and efficiently. There is also an energy-efficient startup mode which will also save you money by keeping electricity costs down. The unit is good for rooms up to 150 square feet owing to its 5000 BTU of output. The device will also dehumidify the room as it cools.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.